up, everyone? This is Prizm Choice. PYT number. You can't see it, but it's number 16. Anyone know what the main bounty is? Does anyone know the main bounty? Two teams win teams, and 17 that go hitless. LeBron 1 of 1. If we hit that card, we owe you 10 boxes. We'll get more. What's up, Supreme? And good luck. See some nice silvers, tigers. This stuff is the definition of hit or miss. Redemption. Jordan Bell refractor. You have a Brunson silver. Ooh, red of Kobe. Green of Mitchell Robinson. That's a big card. Nice hit, Anthony Michael. Wow. That's a big one. And then Bill Russell, Randall, and Boog. The redemption. Ooh, Jason Tatum for the Ticks. What a first pack. 11:30 Eastern, I'll be on, and I'll be on the whole day. That Kobe's sick. I'll be on the whole day. A Tiger and another redemption. Brogdon, Beal, Ariza Tiger. That goes to the Rockets. Wade red. Carter, Watanabe on the Grizzlies. And a Graham. Ed Davis. Anyone know the team for Ed Davis? Boogie, Reddick. We have Michael Adams for the Nuggets. We have a Tiger of Danny Green, red of Crowder, Bruce Brown. He is Nets. I can't believe we just had a Mitchell Robinson green. Gobert. Tatum. Ooh. Nice hit for the Kings. Marvin Bagley. Caldwell Pope red. Sweet Lou. Doctor. Nice auto for Mickey. Tiger. Gordon. We have Zaire for Philly. Giles red. Ooh. Tim Duncan. Tiger. That's a sick card. Teague. Kyrie. Ooh, Troy Brown. That's the halfway point. It's a nice break. The Bagley is not numbered. See Tiger. Blake. Drew Holiday for the Pelicans. Ooh, Pete Maravich for the Hawks. Tiger. Ariza. Towns. Bismack Biyombo for the Hornets. Nice. Van Fleet red. Porzingis red. Wendell for the Bulls. Bridges. Jerome Robinson silver. We have Eric Snow for Philly. Stein, Shaq red. 2 left. Gordon. Bruce Brown for the Pistons. Frank Tiger. We're down to 1. Ben Simmons, and it's Jacob Evans for the Warriors. Wade red, Westbrook red. Oh, Siakam. That's the break. The big hit was the Mitchell Robinson. All right, we're going into finest. All right, let's go. We'll go into finest. 8. And 8. Blazers and Pacers. Donuts and Turtle. That's the break. Thank you.